Welcome back to 10-minute series of Sahitya classes, which is specifically designed for you guys to get good marks and study important topics in just 10 minutes. By this, you can secure just 2 to 4 marks with each passing videos. हर एक वीडियोस में आप अच्छे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे और आपका पेपर प्रिपेयर होते जाएगा. 2 से 4 नंबर आप आराम से सिक्योर कर सकते हैं. लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड लेट अस सी कि लास्ट वीडियो में हमने क्या पढ़ा था. सो इन द लास्ट वीडियो आई टॉट यू दैट हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स ऑफ फिलोसफीज how many schools of Indian philosophies are there and in what categories they are divided, right? And I had asked you 3 questions. Let us see what those questions are. तो मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि what are आस्तिक schools of philosophy? ठीक है, बेसिकली इसका आंसर हो जाएगा schools that do not believe in the authority of Veda, they do believe in the Vedas, ठीक है, that do believe in the authority of Vedas, ठीक है. What are Nastic schools? Don't believe in the authority of Vedas, don't believe in the authority of Vedas. Okay, these are also called Shad Darshan. Remember, 6 in number. Shad Darshan. And these, how many Nastic schools are there? 3. 3 Nastic schools are there. Buddhism, Jainism, and Charvak. Remember, I taught you in the previous video. Now I hope all of these things are clear and we will move forward without wasting any time. चलिए आगे बढ़ जाते हैं और टाइम को वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं. Now what ये जो 9 schools of philosophy हैं, what do they teach you? 9 schools of philosophy, what do they teach you? ये देखना है हमें. कौन फाउंडर है, किसने क्या समझाया, किस चीज़ पे किसका फोकस है, we will see that. So these are your 9 Indian schools of philosophy and we will see their founder, the important text, क्योंकि these are asked in your questions. Okay, these are asked in your exam. Nyaya was founded by Rishi Gautam through his text called Nyaya Sutra. He wrote a text called Nyaya Sutra and it talks about logic and epistemology, the study of correct reasoning and the study of knowledge. Okay, Nyaya, who was the founder? Rishi Gautam or Akshapad Gautam. Vaisheshika was founded by Rishi Kanad. Okay, Rishi Kanad established Vaisheshika and the book is called Vaisheshika Sutra. Okay, and it talks about atomism and naturalism. Atomism means the world is made up of atoms and molecule. अणु और परमाणु से मिलकर पूरी दुनिया बनी है, ऐसा कहते हैं आपके ऋषि कणद इन what वैशेषिका सूत्र. Then comes your Sankhya. Sankhya was established by Rishi Kapil from the book Sankhya Karika and it talks about the dualism of Purush and Prakriti, that the world exists in the dual nature. ठीक है, duality नहीं, dualism में exist करता है world in the form of 2 things called consciousness and matter. Purush is your consciousness and Prakriti is your primordial matter. Okay, so matter is nothing without consciousness, ऐसा कहते हैं कौन? आपके ऋषि कपिल. ठीक है, ऋषि कपिल says in Sankhya Karika that the world exists in the form of Purush and Prakriti. Purush means consciousness and Prakriti is the matter. Matter is nothing without consciousness. Both has to merge together to form the world or to keep the world alive. Understood? This is the philosophy of Rishi Kapil. Then comes your Yoga school of philosophy founded by Rishi Patanjali through his text called Yoga Sutra. He wrote a book called Yoga Sutra and he told us the discipline of meditation. ठीक है, the discipline and the benefits of discipline, exercises and meditation to gain complete control over our senses. हमारे senses पर complete control कैसे बने, इस बारे में बताते हैं हमें ऋषि Patanjali in his book called Yoga Sutra. Then comes your मीमांसा, and I explained you कि मीमांसा क्या है. मीमांसा को हम पूर्व मीमांसा भी कहते हैं because it was established earlier by ऋषि जैमिनी. ठीक है, ऋषि जैमिनी ने establish किया था इसको through his book called पूर्व मीमांसा सूत्र. And let me tell you that Mimamsa as a school of philosophy is extremely orthodox. It completely believes in Vedas and it is highly ritualistic in nature. Matlab, it does not talk about the knowledge, rather it talks about the rituals more. You have to follow rules and regulations regarding rituals. Okay? Now, then next comes your Vedanta, also known as Uttar Mimamsa, which came later. Okay? So, founded by Badrayan Rishi, okay, founded by Rishi Badrayan in the book called Brahma Sutra, okay, in the book called Brahma Sutra. They talk about who? Vedanta scholars talk about non-dualism and self-realization. They are focused highly on the knowledge of Vedas rather than the rituals of Vedas, okay, that is why they are called Gyan Kand. Okay? Next one is your Charvak. Charvak also known as Lokayat, something similar to the Carpe Diem theory, okay, seize the day. Everything is present in the present current situation. You do not have to go for looking for the answers in the past, and you do not have to go in the future for looking for the answers that you have got in your mind, right? So वो कहते हैं कि आपको अपने प्रश्नों के जवाब ढूंढने के लिए, in order to find the answers to your questions, you do not have to go to previous birth, after life, nothing like that. Everything, the world is existing today. Live your life today. Seize the day, okay? So these are called, these are told by Charvak school of philosophy. There is no surviving such text. Sometimes we say it Charvak Sutra. Sometimes the text is called as Charvak Sutra also. Materialism and skepticism, okay? Charvak focuses highly on materialism. It says material is everything. Live your life to the fullest. Next comes your Jainism, founded by Mahavir Jain, the last and 24th Tirthankar of Jain people, and his philosophies are compiled into sutras and agamas. So basically, if I tell you the trick, तो Buddhism और Jainism के जो text थे, the text of Buddhism and Jainism was actually compiled, not written by Gautam Buddha or Mahavir Jain. Okay, rest of the books are written by scholars or the sages. Okay, देखो, Buddhism was later founded by Gautam Buddha, and his lectures and his philosophies were compiled into 3 Pitakas. Okay, he actually told the path to enlightenment and nirvana. He actually told that the world has got suffering, how to stop the suffering following the 8-fold path called Ashtangik Marg. Okay, and apart from this, Jainism basically focused on non-violence and ahimsa. Non-violence, ahimsa, or multi-sided reality, anekantvad, that there is different sides of truth, not only one side. Okay, understood? These were your 9 schools of philosophy in short and crisp manner, although there are there are many more things to study regarding these 9 schools of philosophy, and there is much knowledge to gain, but we do not have that much time. We are keeping it short and crisp in order to understand. Okay, now what kind of questions can be asked from this area? यहाँ से क्या question पूछे जा सकते हैं आपसे? Let us practice that. Okay, चलो, let me give you some questions, और इसके आगे हम पढ़ेंगे आगे वाले चैप्टर में, आगे वाले वीडियो में. Okay, so your homework is the first question. Founder of Yoga School of Philosophy. Who is the founder? Who was the founder of Yoga School of Philosophy, and his text? And his text. तो टेक्स्ट का नाम क्या है वो भी बता देना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पे आ जाते हैं. द टीचिंग्स ऑफ बुद्धा. द टीचिंग्स ऑफ बुद्धा has had been compiled in which text? कौन से टेक्स्ट में बुद्धा की टीचिंग को कंपाइल किया गया था? फाउंडर ऑफ योग स्कूल ऑफ फिलोसफी कौन था? एंड देर आर two more questions. Which school said that the world exists in the form of atoms and molecules? Atoms and molecules. एटोमिज्म की बात कौन से स्कूल ने की थी? ठीक है, which school? Next one, which school taught about पुरुष and prakriti? Here I have asked my questions and you have to give the answers now. Okay, I will be waiting for your answers in the comment section and I will personally answer all these questions in the next lesson. Okay, tab tak, if you are new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any important lesson or information from our side. See you in the next video.